How's it going, guys? How's it going? Hope you guys are enjoying your evening and not, being scared out of your bags. Like so many other people today, I guess, did. Oh, boy. What a day. What a day. What's going on? Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Hopefully, hope you guys get able to still hear the, you should have been able to hear it. I'm adjusting settings still. Oh, man, I'm just like off the charts on my mic. I feel like I'm too loud now. Too loud. 1 sec, guys. I'm going to see if I can adjust this. That's probably a little... Nope. That's probably the gain. There we go. Bump this down a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. I keep going in the red. Whatever. I'm a loud guy. Alright, guys. How's it going? Me so hodl Manbush. Jake, you're a riot. C-Story, you're here first. Cliff is in the house. How's it going, Cliff? D-Worm gets a wrench. Win wrench, he says. Well, he got one.
Will then be now.
Yes, you get a wrench. I get a wrench. We all get wrenches, of course, in the chat. Hodl strong, guys. Hodl strong. All right, what else we got here? Yo, D-Worm, where's your wrench? You should at least have the Allen wrench. Little Allen wrench. Oh, jeez. I am six-sided, says D-Worm. A six-sided Allen wrench. What the hell? All right. Good evening, Otaku and Chaos family. Gamma Goddess is here. Time for the group therapy session. Let's get this money. Thanks again, guys, for all of the fire in the chat, too. Again, guys, doesn't cost anything. Just hit the like, subscribe, all the things. And, of course, the fire in the chat doesn't hurt either. Let's wakes up YouTube's algorithm, lets us know that we are live and well. Yes, is this Mechanics Anonymous? Mad Adam, how's it going? We don't talk about that, says D-Worm. Jesus. Use it for good. Only hit Quint with it. That's right. Only hit Quint with the wrench. Just smack that chat into submission. Oh, man. Yeah, Jake had me in the dungeon for weeks now. Jeez, really? What happened to D-Worm? What happened? Jake, what did you do? Oh, man. He held you in the dungeons of Ohio? That's not a pretty place, my guy. That's not a pretty place. Uncle Duck coming in and saying, I work enjoying the market chaos. Yes, Yamaha Pacifica. There's a lot of chaos today, man. We're going to get into it. There's a lot to unpack. Yes, Jake is taking all hodl. It's all hodl, guys. Be strong. Jake is says, be careful we don't throw you back in there, D-Worm. Oh, Jake. Grab you by the hooks. He'll grab you by the hooks. Of course, Jake the Snake has no hands. So if you guys didn't catch that, back in July, Jake the Snake lost his hands, and now he has hooks. It is what it is. Okay, Jake had me in the dungeon for weeks. Yes, where was I? Mad Adam Music says, grab you by the hooks, D-Worm. Yes, Shilly says, Jake the Snake. Don't forget, of course, to shill. Thank you for reminding me. Jake the Snake demands, the King of Ohio demands that I shill harder. Guys, we got to get these likes in, and we're getting so close to our 1,000 target for subs. Guys, what are they sitting at right now? Well, I think the last time I looked at it, I was like 840, something like that. Looking good, guys. Only 60 away from a 900. And then, of course, 1,000 is next. Guess what we got? The hooks in the chat. There's literally hooks in the chat. Oh, my God, guys. You guys are crazy. Milk Money. Yes, bringing in the flames. Yes, feeding the fire. Thank you. Happy Thursday, man. Yes, happy Thursday. Red Hot Hooks coming at you. Where's the tea kettle? Oh my gosh, ooh, tea sounds amazing right now. Acts of Chaos, yes. How's the whole taku in the mouth feeling? Feeling fine, actually perfectly fine now. All healed up and ready to go. Yeah, that boy Nebs. How's it going, Nebs? The fucking rock star. Oh, Jesus. Magical Chaos Core, hell yeah. Hope you guys like that. I'm sure you could hear it now that you're commenting on it. That's good to hear. Yeah, use the Hammer of Thor on Quint. Yes. The Hammer of Thor. God, I guess Thor's hammer. Yeah, the dog though, not the mighty Thor. He has a heavy hammer. You cannot lift, especially if you are not worthy. Yeah. Oh, the falling candles and the cake. What the hell, Uncle Duck? What the hell? Use of the hammer. Thor on Quint. Yes. Jacob Sake says, a tragic 4th of July accident. No one could have predicted, of course, how he lost his hands and why he uses hooks today. Moment of silence for the digits and all of the hooks in the chat. Oh my god, you guys are ridiculous. Ben Lawrence says, and when you're the king of Ohio and you can do whatever you want, you grab him by the hooks. My god. At least you're grabbing him by the hooks and not by something else, right? You guys are crazy. Ben Lawrence says, how many socks can I get for this wrench? Oh Jesus. Alright, here we go. It's already right in the chat. Okay guys, we got to get into the metrics. Let's get into it. Boom. Dancing mascot's out of here. Get him out. You gotta go. Alright, so last night, of course, we talked about the little Bitcoin price action. That was intense, guys. Sitting at all-time highs last night, 124,000. Ethereum getting close to that breakout towards 5,000. All the euphoria, all the excitement, and then this happened. Who could have predicted? No one could have predicted. I even said it last night. Let me see. I actually pulled it up. Look, I was like, oh, I probably shouldn't have said it. Oh man, but what I did. Here I go. Yeah, Bitcoin. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna say bull, baseline bear, baseline bull. Let's just go baseline bull. It is overbought. My instincts are telling me baseline bear, but momentum right now, especially with Ethereum, still popping off. Oh, Bitcoin's still holding on to 123,000. Yeah. So who could have predicted this would have happened? Nobody. But of course, we were wrong. So that's the sixth time this year, maybe more, maybe 15. I think I'm up to like 15 or 16 this year, but that's like the 4th time in the last 2 or 3 months. That's a lot for me. So I'm like, ugh, feels kind of icky. But Crypto Chaos Magic at least let us know that the bottom was going to be around 118.5, kind of where we're at right now. We're at 118.1 was the bottom there. We actually got a little lower than that. Wicking down below that, hitting this 117.5 target. Wicked up pretty quick after we hit that, and then here we are now sitting at 118.5. So that's what price action looks like tonight. Not so much winning. Nope, not today. All right, let's move on. Ethereum also sitting right around 4,500, a pullback from 4,008, almost 4,008. Not quite all-time high for Ethereum, 4,790. Again, guys, the rest is history. If you guys were here this morning, you know where we stand. All right, all the other coins, of course, are falling back. I mean, even Jasmy had a pullback of 203, whatever. So 3/10 of a penny. Now sitting at 1.6 pennies. It almost hit that 2-cent target, and then this all happened pretty early this morning too. Pretty much funded the entire markets around 8 o'clock when we first started going live. It already happened, and that was, of course, the PPI numbers were released, and we went over that earlier as well. I'm going to get into all the things, of course, via the news. We'll get into that. But, let me see how you guys are feeling in the chat before we continue onward. Major, yes. Maginor, how do you pronounce that? Is the hammer. That's right. That's the hammer. You said late baseline bear, and you cursed us. I did. I said it. I even jumped over it, too. I was like, baseline bear. No, I mean baseline bull. Well, it's oversold. It's overbought, I meant it's overbought. And then, I kind of screwed us, guys. That's right. Hit the likes. It says Matt Adam Music, and press the pass around the high C gamma. It's been a long day. Oh my god, guys, we're literally drinking the Kool-Aid now. We're officially a cult. Let's go. All right, now we just got to get 1,000 followers to this cult. You can pass the high C around. You guys are a hoot and holler. All right, guys. Gamma Goddess, of course, prepping those margaritas for the journey ahead. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so of course we're looking at the live order books brought to you for free by Kim of the White Snow Line. Don't pay for something you get for free, guys.
Are you stupid?
All right, thanks, Oscar. Sitting right around the same kind of level we were at yesterday. I mean, in terms of order books, we basically liquidated all the longs. Now we already liquidated all the. It's almost like someone did this on purpose to reset the market. It's kind of crazy, guys. It's kind of crazy. Yesterday we were looking at this. Oh my gosh. That's the first time that's happened. I dragged my whole screen on there. There we go. I'm trying to grab this here. Yeah, so last night we pulled this up, and of course we looked at all the sell walls. We just blown through. There was nothing left at all, and we blown through all of it. And here we are again, fighting our way back up. Although we don't have to worry about all that big price action anymore to the downside. It's pretty much already taken out. Now the longs are being reset as well, and now we're just chonking down here in this giant buy wall. And there's nothing above us if you're looking at terms of the amount of people that want to buy lower than 120,000 right now. So again, it's still definitely overbought right now, right? Definitely overbought. But overbought. It's oversold. Now it's oversold. All right, I'm all over the place tonight, guys. Oh my god, I'm all over the place. You can also see this here. New prices are loading in. 140,000 is getting pretty heated, pretty hot. What is going on with my snip tool? Jesus. There we go. So you can see here, 140,000 is starting to load up pretty strong now. 130K also looking pretty good. And 120,000 area basically wiped out. We're basically playing Breakout like I talk about all the time. It's one of my favorite games from the past. If you guys haven't played this game before, it's a good one. It's one of my favorites. Let me see if I can find it here. Breakout! Yes, Breakout. This is exactly what we're playing right now. Oh my god. We're just smashing through all these, sell walls. And we'll get to 140, 150,000 soon. All right, guys, let's continue on with the U.S. national debt, currently sitting at $37,232 billion, getting close to that quarter of a trillion by the end of the month. That's what I'm saying, guys. We're going to probably be about $250 billion over that $37 trillion mark by the end of the month. Can't stop, won't stop printing that money. Polymarket betting sites right now saying there is a 97% chance that Trump will be meeting Putin tomorrow. That's right, tomorrow is the 15th. That is going to happen. I don't know why we're betting on this, but we're betting on that on Polymarket. Fed decision in September now, looking at a 25 basis point decrease, sitting at 74%. This has come down drastically. This was sitting here above 80% yesterday, now sitting at 74. As there is kind of some of a there is some talks of the to put into I guess words. Words are not coming to me tonight, guys. From the context of what I understand, it's going to look dovish if the Fed even does 25%. So they may not even want to do one now that PPI is coming in, so bad, and as well as inflation in general. CPI, Consumer Price Index, everything else has been pretty much priced now in a negative light. And if the Fed comes in with less than 50%. 50 basis point cut, then it's gonna look probably pretty dovish. If we do nothing or 25, it's not really gonna make a difference. I was saying that last month. I said the same thing too. He should just give him 25 basis point cut. That's when he was touring the Fed halls with Trump. Right, and Jerome Powell. You should just give it to him because it's not going to matter. 25 basis points, you ain't going to do nothing to the general economy, and then you can just kind of wait and see. But instead, we kind of played it out this long, and that's kind of not looking too good, guys. So we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. But either way, we're probably more than likely going to get 25 no matter what. But I think the market's already priced that in. It's not really going to matter as much. If we get anything higher than 25, the market's going to definitely rally. And I think in a bigger way. So hopefully, let's hope for a 50 basis point cut, I guess, from here on out. You're looking for price action to move in a significant fashion in a short-term manner. All right, Fear and Greed right now, looking at 64 as the stock market closed today. Still sitting 64. The market's actually kind of recovered by the end of the day in the United States anyway. It's shipping around just slightly lower than all-time highs for the stock market, but crypto's still sold off. And Fear and Greed right now for crypto is still sitting in greed. So I think these pullbacks are going to be short-lived for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Maybe we go into tomorrow and don't quite get back to all-time highs. The entire market gets reset. We'll have to see how the foreign markets want to trade this too, but my bets would be probably on a very explosive weekend again, a weekend move on Sunday, at least for what we're seeing right now. All right, the Dixie still hanging out around 98. coming up a little bit on today because of the markets, of course, pricing in all this FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt is definitely taking over the markets. We did see the Dixie under the lowest we've seen it in the past few days has been 97.7, 97.65, somewhere in that range. It still has a long way down to go, in my opinion. We should be looking at 95 here soon, especially if we start cutting, cutting rates and printing money next month. All right, a sea of red takes over the markets today, guys. Look at this. What are we gonna buy? What are we gonna buy? Let's go. Not a warning, guys. Definitely not a warning tonight. Look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful, beautiful. That's my favorite color. I love it. I love it. What do we buy tonight, guys? Let me know what you guys are looking at. I said this morning I was going to buy some SUI. I was waiting for a little bit more of a pullback because by the time I was doing my live stream, it already went up 3%. So everything's kind of hanging out again down here. Jasmine's down 11% now. Damn, 11% now. Bonk's down 12. What are the other big movers? Render's down 8. IMX, Immutable X, down 11.6. Celestia down 11.5. That coin hasn't done anything this year. Down 68% on the year. If you guys want a coin at the very bottom, there isn't. Look no further than Celestia on the top 100. If you're looking for a top 100 play. Even Polygon's down 7%. It's looking pretty right, guys. So let me know in the chat what you guys are looking to buy up. It's hard, of course, to look past the month, the week, the 3 month, even the year. Most of the coins are still up majorly, right? So we have to go back to again some of the smaller time frames, and this is what we're looking at here today. So not a bad day to be picking up some of your favorite coins on the low. Top 200. Let's take a look at here real quick too. Damn, scale out of nowhere. Holy crap, 63% up on the day. Wow, 139 on the week. Man, I forgot all about scale. I remember that. I had a bag of that coin back in the bear market. Sold it all back off in January, like everything else. Crazy. White Rock even coming up back up 20%. This thing's been Chop City. I said that this morning too because it literally looks like a silhouette of a city. It looks like a skyline. I don't know what the hell's been going on with White Rock, but that thing is a mess. It's its own kangaroo market right now. Anything else on the top? On the top 200, not really. Everything in general is just kind of down 5-6% on the top 200 in market cap. I said it again this morning. I said Zbeck was probably going to be my best bet for a big DCA opportunity right now, and I think it's no different right now. In terms of things that hasn't really moved as much, and still hasn't moved as much on the week. Zbeck's still down 11% on the week, and 5% down on the day. So still probably my best bet in terms of my bag of darlings too. Let's take a look at the top 100 again one more time. And SUI was my pick this morning on the top 100, as I did see a pullback of like 6%. Now it's, where is it at? Where the hell's SUI? Show me SUI. They're gonna make me search for it. All right, we're gonna start search for it. Sitting in the number 13, still down 6.5% on the day. It's still. I think it came back down. Wait, what was the price action on it? It went back down to the same spot it was this morning. Oh yeah. Okay, it rebounded a little bit at but 3662. It's not too bad. Where is it now? 3.75. It could be a little lower though, but it just rallied all the way to $4.15. My God. All right. So top 100, I'll probably pick Jasmine instead of SUI right now because it is down 11%. It almost ran to 2 cents. So sitting right now, if it gets up to 3, if it does break out of the 2 cent target soon and hits up to 3 cents, it's at least a 2x from where we are right now. That's probably going to be my number one pick right now. Is going to be Jasmine in the top 100. There's some other coins that are down a little more, but that's one that's down some of the most that I still have a big bag and I'm very bullish on. All right, guys, let me know in the chat what you guys are feeling. All right, so, and again, that's not financial advice. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. All right, market cap for Bitcoin dominance percentage right now still sitting at 59.58. Of course, we don't hear from Sailor anymore because we are away from that 60%. No more Sailor, sorry. No more 60% dominance for Bitcoin. It could be coming back up again soon as more money starts to move back into these coins. I do want to talk about crypto total market cap because we're still sitting at 4 trillion. But yesterday, in the height of everything, it was 4.2, almost 4.18, almost near that 4.2 target. So the highest we've ever seen was last night, and that crazy runaway 4.19. Wow, almost again 4.2 trillion dollars in market cap. It's been a while since we took a look at this as well. I wanted to do a quick checkup on Tether and USD, of course, the two largest coins. And the market caps are still about the same. So all this money is sitting around waiting to get in and invest in our space. It's sitting in stablecoins still sitting in stablecoins. We got to see some of this market cap drop out and move back into some of these coins. I mean, it's been years now. Come on, man. What the hell? What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for?
I'd buy that for $1.
You're literally sitting on dollars. All right. Let's see what else we got going on in market cap right now. Top 10 assets. Still looking about the same. Doge is sitting at number 9. Did it just get flipped by... I think it did. Yeah, it just got flipped by Tron again. These two keep going back and forth. Tron and Dogecoin. Dogecoin, we got some news on Doge today too. ETF is about to roll out. Sounds like you're getting closer, perhaps. We'll get into that in a bit. Cardano still holding a number 10 slot. Chainlink moving up to 11. Hyperliquid falling down to 12. Stellar coming in at 13. Overtaking Sui. This is so close in market cap. Keeps flipping back and forth now. I think Sui's going to catch up again here soon. We got Bitcoin Cash holding on 15. I don't know how. I don't know why. ETFs probably, and that's about it. We've got Athena USDE outside the scope, getting closer to the 20 market caps position. We're looking at Hedera, Avalanche, and Litecoin, with Toncoin holding on number 20. Shout out to Jasmine, currently sitting at 93 in market cap. Again, it's amazing. It's still holding on here. Very strong top 100. The highest it got in the last few weeks has been 90, and the highest it's ever been was 52. Again, shout out to Jasmine. For those who care. I still love Jasmine, man. I still love Jasmine. Will not stop loving Jasmine. Unless the whole project goes belly up or something. Anyway, Bitcoin exchange balances on exchanges right now. This is what we got. This is it. This is my favorite metric to show you guys every single day. Regardless of price action, we're still looking at the lowest we've ever seen on record. Currently sitting at 2.24 million on exchanges. Yeah. That is the lowest we've ever seen in the last 10 years. I think it's like 10 years. So again, record lows. We have never seen this since the likes of I've been in crypto. I'll just say that. Okay, Bitcoin treasury companies. I didn't really show this too much this week. I just want to, of course, outline where BlackRock currently stands, sitting at 742 under assets under management, and Strategy sitting at 628,000. I got Grayscale sitting just under 200,000. Again, remember, all this went to BlackRock's. Yes, it did. Oh my God, Grayscale was the largest holder of the Bitcoin Trust, held 650, I believe, at the beginning of last year. All sold off to BlackRock, basically. All right, so yeah, Bitcoin Rainbow price chart still telling you it's time to be accumulating. It's time to be accumulating. We don't break through this until still cheap territory begins at $157,000 Bitcoin. Hopefully soon. Soon? When? When $150,000 Bitcoin? Soon.
When will then be now? Soon.
Oh, Jesus. All right. Top 10 assets in the world. Bitcoin falls underneath Amazon and Alphabet today, as of course the sell-off continued throughout the entire day. And yeah, we reset the markets basically from where we were back on Tuesday. Wednesday's totally gone, guys. Bart Simpson, that bitch. Totally gone. All right, guys, we're going to get into some of the headlines for today. And yeah, let's cover that. But before I do, let's get back in the chat. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 subs, guys. We are almost there. We only need 160 more. And we are smashing that 1,000. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. All right. Ecto Cooler says, Mad Adam, it's pronounced Milo? Near. What the hell, Jake is saying? You're talking about how to pronounce major, whatever. I forget how to pronounce that damn thing. I'm here, guys. It's all going to be okay. That's right, hey guy. It's gonna be okay. Guys, it's gonna be fine. Hey guys, it's gonna be fine. It's all good, guys. It's fine. Oh man, that's right. It's gonna be okay, guys. Don't worry.
So just chill out.
Yeah.
Drink a 7-Up, eat a moon pie, quit murdering people.
Yeah, don't do that. Okay. All right, we're gonna get into some of this crazy stuff. Sounds yummy, says Gamma. What are you eating? What are you eating? Gamma, read us.
Just slam the
Oh, it
brakes.
just wants to randomly play all the stuff. Okay, cool. Yes, Gamma, read us for everyone with extra high C for the family. As long as there's no cyanide in there. I'll drink it. I got you, Ben, says Gamma. Yes, sounds yummy, Gamma. It does sound really yummy. Yes, Ecto Cooler. That's where you got that. Yes, the Ecto Cooler high C. That's right. The good stuff. It only comes around like once a year if we're lucky these days for Halloween. What else we got here? Ben Lawrence says, is this an intervention? I thought therapy was the therapist and the client, or did I sign up for a Groupon deal again? Yep, sorry. It's more like AA, right? It's more like CA. CAA? Crypto, I don't know. Crypto COA? The Crypto Obsessive Anonymous? I don't know. Not too late. Just fashionably late, says Jake the Snake. Ben, Jake, and Gamma A Guy. Yes, everybody. JPEG as well. And Mother. Don't forget Crypto Mother. Ramon is in the house. Yes, good evening. That says, of course, Nebs. Good evening, Nebs, and all the fire and the flames and the freedom. Don't forget about that freedom. Yes, thank you. I'm late in the chat. Who brought the Vaseline? That's your job. You're the one that brings all that for everybody. They're gonna need it tonight. Oh, geez. Okay. Yes. Yamaha Pacifica says Otaku were previous bull runs like now, were so many macro things keeping the pump, preventing the pump. Not really. No. Not. I mean, we had major pullbacks when we had big macro things, but we had big macro jumps. Like it was just giant swings. I don't remember anything quite like this for no reason, or these significant dips. Really, I mean, they're really not. This really wasn't that big of a deal. We were just here not that long ago. We were actually at 112, wasn't it, like last week? So it's not that crazy of a move, in my opinion. It's not like Bitcoin went from 30 to 60 overnight. That happened a lot. 30K, we got stuck there for a long time. 33, 36, something like that. Right. Yeah. So that's my memory. From my memory, anyway. Man, I'm sorry, says that boy Nebs. Oh no, what was this? Oh, what is this? Mother found the socks in the pillow, Nebs. Oh no. Ramona's gonna get you now. Yeah, no Vaseline, no pain, just pain, says Jake. Embrace the pain. Embrace it. That boy Ned says, did she? Oh my god, guys, I'm so far behind the chat. How did she even find those? That's my hiding spot. How did you spy my hiding spot? Are you creeping on me in the nighttime, says Nebs? Oh no, jeez. Ramona, you gotta make your children behave. Holy crap. Yes, good evening, Nebs. Petting the pillow was a tell, says Ben. Nebs is chafing now. I mean, he's running around with a skirt. That's probably why he's wearing a skirt, is because he's chafing. It all makes sense now, guys. Evening mass, Miss Goddess. Yes, yeah, drinks. I am not, says Nebs. Oh my gosh, it's the latex man. So, holy crap. Oh my god, I can't even read half the chat anymore, guys. It's getting a little too crazy. Push it deep. Oh my god, I can't. With XEN up around 900% on the year, should we expect it to double that again? That was the plan, at least. Jake the Snake says we're going to get a lizard suit. Oh jeez, for you after Halloween. It's over, and all the outfits are on sale. Oh man, I want a Trogdor costume, says Jake the Snake. Heck yeah, no, I want it first. I'll go as Strongbad if you go as Trogdor. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. I mean, how do you talk about talking on? I wouldn't be able to do this with boxing gloves on. Yeah, Ben Lawrence says mom's getting a husky pair of tights to help with the writing up issues. Oh my god, holy hell! Ramona says it's all good. Is it though? Is it all? Ben Lawrence says sounds like he's saying me ma. I miss me mom. Oh my god. Oh no. Game of God says hello to Ramona. Yes, and Jacob Six says we really need to fire the teddy bear therapist. 100%. That's why you need Elmo, man. You got to get Elmo in there. I'm pulling my hair out, man. Every time I read the chat, I either pulling more hair out. Okay. Let's get into some of the news today. Of course, the big thing that happened today was Bitcoin tumbles, then rebounds as the U.S. PPI producer price index, key inflation indicator measuring wholesale goods prices, surged to almost a full percentage for the month, significantly exceeding the forecasted 0.2% increase. This marked a sharp acceleration from the prior month's stagnant 0.0% reading. Yeah. Economists view a higher than expected PPI as bullish for the US dollar, signaling potential rising inflationary pressures upstream. The significant jump fueled immediate dollar strength. Analysts attributed the price pressures partly to the impact of tariffs implemented by Trump's administration. I don't know if it's all we still haven't really felt that yet. They're just coming in now. Like, I don't know. Give it another month or two. The hotter than usual PPI data hiding market expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve may need to maintain a restrictive monetary policy stance. This shift is sentiment directly impacted assets like Bitcoin, prompting the initial sell as a dollar gained. Exactly what we were talking about earlier about how we were looking at Polymarket, and I mentioned about how the Fed, is going to probably seem like they're going to be either doing nothing or 25 just to maybe push it down the road. Still, the CME FedWatch tool shows a 96.5% chance rate cut will happen on September 17th, while Bitcoin swiftly rebounded above 119,000 and then dropped below that range. And of course, the day prior, it reached an all-time high of 124,000 last night. Yes, increases focus on the upcoming September Federal Open Market Committee meeting. All right, guys. So that's pretty much the entire market sentiment of the day. There's another article I pulled up too on it. Bitcoin tumbles as markets reel in the wake of gloomy inflation data. Ooh, spooky. Oh, Jesus. Yes, it does feel like it sometimes. It's been the markets, man. That's such a sad balloon. we just as long as the balloon's not popping though, right? We don't want the balloon to pop. All right, let's get into some more stuff. Strategy makes it official. Legal name change switch hints at bigger moves. Of course, Strategy, they changed their move last year, I believe. Strategy Incorporated, NASDAQ MicroStrategy, MSTR. Of course, other offerings as well, Strike, Strife, Stride, and Stretch, announced on August 14th that it's officially changed its legal name from MicroStrategy Incorporated to Strategy Incorporated, effective August 11th, 2025. The formal transition completes a rebranding initiative first unveiled on February 5th. Okay, it was February. Damn, it feels like a whole year ago. And it solidifies the company's identity as the whole world's first and largest Bitcoin treasury enterprise. Remember the little Bitcoin logo right next to Strategy on the sign they changed? Despite the name change, the firm confirmed that its corporate structure and CUSIP numbers remain unchanged, while its securities continued trading under their existing ticker symbols. I got some more news. I'm going to segue into that. All right. Let's see if I can find it. Where was it? Where is it? Oh, this one. Who covered it? Oh man, I know I pulled it up. Oh yeah, it's the next one right there. Boom. MicroStrategy underperforms and decouples from Bitcoin to the downside during yesterday's this morning's turmoil. The premium that investors were willing to pay for common shares of MicroStrategy has fallen to the 17-month low. Huge. Trackers of the multiple to net asset value, the value of MNAV, shows that MicroStrategy's trading at a basic NAV premium of just 1.4, which is the lowest since February of 2024. Even MicroStrategy's self-reported MNAV, which was used in the most generous enterprise value instead of its basic market capitalization for calculating its ratio between MicroStrategy's MSTR and the company's $74 billion worth of Bitcoin, is just 1.61 of its publication of time. Even a graph of MicroStrategy's diluted share MNAV at 1.57 shows it's the worst level since February 2024. MicroStrategy is the world's largest Bitcoin treasury company, as you guys know and are aware of. Okay, you know their entire game is, right? That premium has been eroding since November 2024, and it's the lowest level since the prior February. Worse, critics have pointed out the concerning decoupling of MicroStrategy's MSTR compared to the otherwise strong performance of Bitcoin. Although the company's a leveraged play on the price of Bitcoin, MicroStrategy has managed to underperform Bitcoin dramatically in recent months. MicroStrategy is starting to underperform Bitcoin. Over the last 6 months, Bitcoin has rallied 20.5%. MicroStrategy's common stock, in contrast, has rallied a mere 9.3%. The underperformance is notable, and as it is unusual, the MicroStrategy's investors are accustomed to outperforming Bitcoin over time. Yes, they are. Indeed, MicroStrategy's MSTR has rallied 183% over the past 12 months, double the growth of Bitcoin's 98% by 98%. Strategy has trounced Bitcoin over longer time frames as well, growing at 2,417% over the past 5 years, amid Bitcoin's 893% rally. Concerned investors are flagging MicroStrategy's underperformance, blaming dilution, and saying that MicroStrategy's decoupling is a warning to the entire crypto treasury sector. How about that for some unbiased fuddish news? Let's go. That's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. And it's the first time we've seen something like this out of MSTR, right? So I was kind of excited to read that today because it's different. it's different. Yes. All right, let's see what else we got. Breaking: the SEC releases update on Dogecoin spot ETF application. As I did promise, I was going to talk about this as well. According to breaking news, the SEC has postponed its decision on the 21 shares Dogecoin spot ETF. It's not investment advice. They did the same thing too to Solana. They did the same thing too to XRP. They did the same thing too to was it Sui? I think it was Sui. Yeah, there's all the other ETFs that they're kind of postponing for the time being until I guess they have no ability to postpone them anymore after some of them have been listed as futures contracts for 6 months. So there's that too. So either way, by October we're going to get what they want. Okay, let's move on. I want to get into this. U.S. Treasury, Scott Bessent, let's go. Here we go, guys. Makes additional Bitcoin statements. He had spoken negatively today. This is a whole cycle. Follow this through with me, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy what happened today with Scott Bessent. All right, so he came out today. It was right after the PPI data was announced. Some people are saying he's the one who dumped the market. He didn't dump the market. It was the PPI data that dumped the market. But anyway, U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent makes additional Bitcoin statements. So what he said today kind of shocked a little bit of the world. And I'm gonna just follow with me, okay? I have the clip here, of course, from Fox Business's interview. Let's watch this.
You're talking about
audio is atrocious,
a number way above 750 billion. What's the story on gold?
We've got the large gold holding. I doubt we're going to revalue it, but we are going to keep it there, again, as a store of value for the American people. We've also started to get into the 21st century, a Bitcoin strategic reserve. We're not going to be buying that, but we are going to use confiscated assets and continue to build that up. We're going to stop selling that. I believe that Bitcoin reserve at today's prices is somewhere between 15 and 20 billion.
And Mr. Secretary, all of these ideas to monetize the asset side of...
All right, so that's what he said this morning. So if you guys caught this with me this morning, that was kind of interesting that he came out and said that. So the big takeaway here was, my initial reaction was, he probably doesn't know exactly, like, details, and he's just kind of, talking off cuff, right? And that was my reaction. I was just like, I don't know. He probably doesn't think that it's going to be, we're going to find another way. That's what I said. I said, you're going to have to talk to Lummis about that because we're going to find another way. Anyway, so that was, of course, the beginning of this, right? And people, of course, taking this all into... It took this way too hard. They even went back and played it through it, and he mentioned something around like about $20 billion worth of Bitcoin. And if you look at the amount of Bitcoin, of course, right now, or the time of writing, obviously he's probably looked at this number like a long time ago, and not like today or yesterday. It's worth like 20 billion, something like that. And the amount of tokens is somewhere around 150,000 tokens, something like that. So not the full amount that everyone is speculating we do not have either way. What's it, 201 or whatever, 200 and some change on Bitcoin. So that was the first staple in this whole coffin, right? For Bessent. And then Bessent comes back and doubles down, I guess, on this. Look at this. I've shared here. I think I put that up later. Here we go. Scott Besson suggests the government Bitcoin purchases remain a possibility. He comes back later in the middle of the afternoon and says the Treasury Secretary's late Thursday afternoon tweet seemingly contradicted his statement from earlier in the day. So look at this. He completely flips. You can't make this shit up. Treasury Scott Besson began Thursday by dashing hopes of at least some Bitcoiners saying the strategic Bitcoin reserve would be made up of 15 billion or to 20 billion already held Bitcoin by the government. But there was also no intention. Okay, Kathy, I'm just making sure you're not talking over me. I love you, Kathy. All right. So he ended the day, however, seemingly contradicting those remarks, saying that his department is committed to exploring budget-neutral pathways to acquire more Bitcoin to expand the reserve. The fresh buys would be in addition to the tokens forfeited by the U.S. government, and which will be the foundation of the reserve. So he's already said this, and it's already been pretty clear since the very beginning. That was, of course, how they were going to build the strategic reserve, and they were going to, of course, find budget-neutral, friendly ways to add, of course, more to it that doesn't cost any more money to the taxpayers. Woo, boy! And out of nowhere, Ramona coming with a $20 super chat. Damn! Happy Thursday! Yes, to all my fellow otakuites, of course, Ramona, thank you. You are an all awesome, and start sharing the stream across social media to get Otaku his 1,000 goal of subscribers. Thank you again, Ramona. I appreciate it. He's such a kind mother, looking after all of us. We love you. Oh man, so yeah, this is amazing that, of course, he comes back in full force, doubles down and says, oh, I said that, but the reality is this, and here's that. And anyway, so Bitcoin continued to trade about 118,000 later in the United States in the afternoon. Thursday down sharply, hitting a new record high of 124 just hours earlier. Bulk of the decline came from a far stronger than anticipated producer price index report. Again, it was not Scott Besson. He didn't tank the market. God. So yeah, it's all fine, guys. It's all fine. How are you? How are you guys? Oh geez, what a day. President Donald Trump discredits inflation fears. Is crypto market ready for a rebound? This one comes out of cryptonews.net. More than $1 billion was liquidated from the crypto leverage market today, following the hotter than expected producer cost data. So we lost a lot. A lot of people were wrecked out of their long positions. And again, that just gives a more opportunity for the market to reset and move on higher. And for those who didn't sell, congrats for you. You can now buy at cheaper prices and keep stacking. Jesus. Crypto market reacts inflationary pressures, notably on Thursday PPI data. We already talked about this at great length already. So what's next for the cryptocurrency bull market? The cryptocurrency bull market recently signaled the entrance of the euphoric phase, especially after the Ethereum and Bitcoin price rebound. Macro bullish sentiment is bolstering the rising demand and institutional investors implementing crypto treasury strategies. Additionally, President Trump's recent signed an executive order to allow 401ks. Of course, if you guys didn't catch that one, we talked about it at great length too. Absolutely love that bit there is coming, which have over $8 trillion in assets under management to diversify into cryptocurrency markets starting soon. When? I don't know when, but soon. God. All right, let's see if we can dig up anything else breaking before we get into some other. I do have a couple more things pulled up. I don't want to get into that. That was, of course, the continuation into that. If you wanted to read into that exact amount and how many Bitcoin we would actually have. Because we do not currently hold 200,000, or allegedly we don't, or we do, we don't know. We really don't know. We need some clear, guidance from them. And they still haven't given us the actual numbers, right? They have been promising since March to give us an outlined list of all the coins they hold and the amounts of them, and then we still don't have them. All right. Anyway, so let's get back in the chat real quick, catch up with you guys, and then we got to get back into the news, see if we can find anything else breaking in the news. Oh geez, what else we got going on tonight? I'm trying to scroll up to catch back up here. Try diaper and combat boots. What in the hell? Ben. Oh Jesus. Oh, Game of God says it's okay. Nothing a Gamerita and high C can't fix. Nabs. Yes, there you go. Yeah, push it down deep. Oh God, don't ever mention it again. Oh God, Helmo. Yes, Helmo is the new therapist. Yes, I love it. Absolutely love it. Yes. Just come join Helmo. He'll help you out. I can imagine him just so we all schizophrenic, like, it's gonna be fine, guys. He's just sitting there on fire. Otaku, please let us make Ethereum predictions. Oh no, you guys want to make ETH predictions? Sure, why not? I'll join in with that too. Nabs, do you want a sailor outfit? Oh no. Gone too far. He's gone too far. Sailor outfits are sacred. Yes, Sailor Fuku is off the. It's out of the question. Not in his wardrobe. Okay. Game of God says you're gonna get a giant pitcher costume. Oh my gosh. A giant margarita. That's what you are gonna be. I literally turned into a gamarita. Yes. Geez, Ben says, would you rather be that or a paper bag with a hooch written on it with a bottle hanging out? Oh my God, Ben. Oh, geez. Cody Bakula, how's it going, Cody? Welcome, Cody, to the chat. How's it going? I'm late. What's up with Crypto family? I hope everyone is having a great day. And don't forget to smash that like. Yes, guys, don't forget. I need to be shilling harder. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. Got to get to 1,000 to unlock all the superpowers to the channel. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. We're close. Getting close. Ben Lawrence says, mother gets to wear the juicy robe with slippers and her hair up in rollers. You guys have a vivid imagination. God, I can just see Ramona wearing, curlers in her hair. Oh, geez. Yes, hey, Cody. Okay, Cody, what is good? Ben. Oh, yeah, Ben. Ridiculous. Diabolical. A paper bag is diabolical. Yes, it is. I'll be a giant pitcher for sure. Jesus. Ben Lawrence coming in. Oh, geez. Ramona coming in with a 19 only watching and only 16 likes. Guys, we got to get these numbers up, my guys. Come on. Thank you, Ramona. Thank you for the $5 super chat and contribution to the chaos. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Yes, we love you. We love you too, Gamma. Yes, we do. It's kind of tacky with a juicy right there. You buy. What the hell, Ben? Yes, I gotcha. Richmond, how's it going, Richmond? A happy DCA Thursday. Grab them future gains, guys. Grab them future gains. That's Richie Rich, right? I can't get used to these new names because of the changes on YouTube. Ben usually says I decode your explanations, but I am at a loss. Seriously. YouTube didn't notify me you were live again. Of course, that's the way it goes, Quint. I had to click on the YouTube page. That's YouTube doing YouTube things, as always. Glad you found the therapy room, says Ramona to Quint. Yes, you found the therapy room. Ben is saying you're wearing the Juicy brand robe and you have rollers in your hair. Yes, he did say that. Ramona. Thank you for your translation, Jake. Oh, geez. I speak fluent nutcase. There he is, of course. The king of Ohio can translate the because only in Ohio, man. Only in Ohio can you translate the fluent nutcase. Yeah. What the hell? When burn money? Oh, tonight we will burn money for sure. D-Worm. Not even a question, man. When burn money? Come on. You know we're gonna burn the money.
Satoshi started a fire in cyberspace. Take your fiat currency and feed the fire.
Yes, sailor. Okay. What else we got here? Richmond, north of Richmond. Welcome. He's a rich man, I hear. He's a rich man. Yes. Ben Lawrence says she couldn't decide my dirty diaper to. What? Oh, Ben. Who hurt you, Ben? Oh my God. Rich Man of Richmond is a great song. Yeah. Yes, it is. That's an oldie but a goodie. We're all too scared to help you with that, Ben Lawrence. And Cody Bucco says, yeah, you're all the best. 100%. Ben, decode, not decide. Oh my God, Ramona. All right, let's get back into it, guys. Let's see what else we can dig up in the news tonight. Looking for some more breaking stuff. $31,800 per person to be dished out with no strings attached as another nonprofit launches guaranteed income pilot program in the United States. Which city is this, and have we heard about it yet? Let's see. This one is in Boston, Massachusetts now. I talked about one city in Michigan not that long ago doing the similar thing. I believe it was it Kalamazoo? Where was it? I think it was Kalamazoo. I'm pretty sure it was. They were doing the same sort of thing. Again, guys, this entire idea is to get people ready for UBI, Universal Basic Income, when the AI and the robots take over the entire economy and pay each other with crypto. It's coming, guys. It's coming faster than you think. I heard Kathy Wood today talking about AI agents. Agentic AI is what they're calling it. That's the buzzword now. Agentic AI. And it's coming. It's all going to replace people like you and your jobs. Guys, it's been a while since I did this, and I have to do it. I have to do it. I got to get it out of my system. If you are... oh, no, of course. Damn it. It's been a while. Welcome to the dystopian future. That's right. If you're a driver, a telemarketer, a lawyer, a dentistry clerk, an accountant, a factory worker... did I say driver already? I think I did. You're all going to be replaced. Fast food workers, factory workers of all kinds. It doesn't matter, guys. All your jobs. It doesn't matter if you're in the white collar jobs, the blue collar jobs. They're all going to be replaced, and they're coming soon. All right. I had to get that out of my system. I've been waiting to do that for a while. Yes. All right. Send it back. Send it back. All right. What else we got tonight? We're gonna also remind me again, so I don't forget. We're also gonna do some Ethereum predictions for the community as well. That's Ben's idea, I believe, wasn't it, Ben? I think it's a cool idea too. Scott Besson suggests, government. Yeah. We already read all that. What else is breaking? I think we already covered all the big stuff. Wall Street joins consumer advocates to call for edit to the Genius Act. That's a new one. U.S. bankers are pushing for hard revisions of the new stablecoin bill before regulators have begun the first steps of writing the rules. The U.S. banking groups are petitioning lawmakers to make changes to the stablecoin law known as the Genius Act, and the consumers groups joined for them for one of the requests, aligning associations that are typically on the opposite sides of policy issues. In one letter, bank lobbyists and the consumer groups asked to cut a provision in the law that could allow state-chartered and uninsured depository institutions a business advantage against rivals. And in another, the banks asked the stablecoin affiliates to be stopped from offering yield. The lobbyists are asking for the future crypto market structure legislation to be used to overhaul the new stablecoin law. Interesting. Okay, so they're going to basically tie it into the Clarity Act. Is that how they're going to do this? I mean, that's a good way to do it, I guess, and not hold back the Genius Act altogether. All right. Richmond coming in with a $10 Canadian super chat. Thank you, my guy. Thank you. I can find the button. Oh my gosh, yes. Here's a Happy Meal to feed the chaos. Yes. I should definitely do that one day. Just bring a full Happy Meal and just eat it right here. We have to have a really down day, though, like a really bad day for me to do that. It's been a while since I even put on the McDonald's uniform anymore. I can't even remember the last time I did. Definitely before I moved. Oh, maybe I did it one time after I moved. No. I wore it on my trip. Yeah, I wore it on my trip last time. That was back in May. Damn, guys, we were at where were we in May? I forget. It's been so long. This year doesn't even add up anymore. Okay, let's see. What else can we find breaking tonight? Thanks again, Richmond, for contributing to the chaos. Oh, God, this is creepy. Oh, no. All right, I'm out. I'm done with this daily huddle. Okay. All right. Okay, there we go. We're back to the real news. Over on X. Let's find out what we can find on X tonight. Since we're looking for breaking news, the best place, of course, is to look on X. And guys, if you like giving me a chance to show a little harder, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please hit that like and subscribe. I need to show harder, try to get to 1,000 subs. You unlock all the powers on the channel. Yes. And if you like what you're seeing here tonight and you haven't already hit that like or subscribe, please do so. But also check me out on Twitter if you like the same sort of content on a different platform. All right, guys, let's see what else we got here today on the Twitter. Again, unfiltered trolling tonight. Yes, Cynthia Lum is coming in on the defense of Secretary Scott Bessent. She says that he is spot on and about the importance of Bitcoin as a store of value in the digital age. I look forward to Continuing the work with Scott Besson and Howard Lutnick to identify budget-neutral ways to continue growing our Bitcoin reserve and outpacing adversaries to the race. She actually put out something earlier as well. I actually shared it. Let me show you that one first. She put this one out earlier. It let me share it. Oh my God! It didn't let me share it earlier. Yep, it double backed on that. But she did put out another one earlier. Let me see if I can dig that up too. Just click on her, and I'm sure it'll be there. There's the one from before. Yes, Senator Scott Besson is right. A budget-neutral path to building an SBR is the way. This is her initial reaction 4 hours ago. We cannot save our country from $37 trillion debt by purchasing more Bitcoin, but we can revalue our gold reserves today and prices then transfer the increase in the value to build this strategic Bitcoin reserve. America needs the Bitcoin Act. All right, and of course, she's getting a lot of attention now because she quoted Scott Benson and flat out told him that Bitcoin has I have a bill for that. He has a Bitcoin bill for that for sure. Yes, of course, one of our favorite spirit animals on the show, Senator Lummis. Man, she's been doing amazing work. All right, so thank you again, Senator Lummis, for keep doing what you do. This is as of an hour ago too, so she's still on it. She's still on a mission. Willie Woo puts this out. A quick update on capital flows. Looks like the star. He did just recently sell off his Bitcoin. Remember we talked about that? He sold off his Bitcoin. That was right before the big dump. I mean, I guess kind of around the same point where he sold it anyway. Now that back to 118,000. Just in, Japan's better plan to issue another $3.8 billion in preferred shares to buy more Bitcoin. That's over 31,000. That's massive, insane, crazy stuff. Jesus, that's of course the MicroStrategy of Japan Meta Planet. What in the hell's happening with Elon Musk? What in the hell? Oh no. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Elon. Raoul Paul says one of the most foundational things in the economic singularity and the fact that you have 5 years to unfuck your future. Of course, one of his favorite taglines there. The world will change dramatically by 2030, and we don't have much time left to build wealth. Can't stress enough about how important this is. Of course, the apex of everything is doing. Yeah. Love you, Raoul Paul. Love you. All right. Just in, first Russian government jet lands in Alaska ahead of the meeting between President Trump and Vladimir Putin tomorrow. I wonder what time it's happening tomorrow. Probably like early in the morning. That'd be my guess. SEC Chair Paul Atkins to reveal Project Crypto details tomorrow. That is interesting. Paul Atkins. So we're gonna have a really big day tomorrow, guys. Ooh, might have to put that on the calendar too. Holy crap! CPI is the biggest lie in modern history. Yes, it is. Go on, tell them. Inflation's only 2.7%. Yeah. Meanwhile, I've seen this one floating around here too as well. I think Chad, or one of the other guys in the chat shared this, I think, before the meat prices. It might have been Super Danny. I think it might have been Super Danny. Or it could have been Jake the Snake. You guys send me stuff all the time. It's hard to keep track. But yes, the meat prices here, sell by date on this one here from 2024. And of course, we got a 2025 New York steak. Same product from Curtin Signatures, going from $50 to 78. But inflation's only 2.7%. Yeah. Yeah, just keep telling them that. Senator Lummis, of course, saying the things, and simply Bitcoin pushing the same thing out. The flippening will never happen, but the unstakening is coming. Of course, Samson Mal still betting down on his ETH rotating back to Bitcoin after the big pump. As of August 14th, 2025, there's currently 768,400 ETH in the Ethereum validator exit queue. That's roughly 3.5 billion. Ethereum could revert to 0.03 or... Sorry, guys, had to sneeze. or lower. Oh, jeez. I think that's one of the first times I ever sneezed on the channel. Yeah, just in. Ramona coming in with a $5 super chat. God. Oh, jeez. Ramona says, don't you know that food isn't part of the inflation basket? Oh, inflation basket. Jesus, that's twice now. Wow. Twice in one stream. Oh, man. Someone must be talking about me. Yes. Well, everything. They change it all the time. Coffee used to be part of CPI, right? But now it's not. At least, I think only like not gas station coffee. I think only Starbucks is counted now. Something like that. Oh, no, it's coffee grounds now. Not coffee you buy in a store. Something like that. It's BS, man. They just keep changing the apples to oranges, right? Okay, yeah. So SEC Chair Paul Atkins to discuss Project Crypto tomorrow. That's still popping out there. Just over $100 billion wiped out of the crypto market in the past 24 hours. Insane. Yes, guys. Crypto guys waiting for the rate cuts. Oh, Jesus. I'm trying to remember when this was. I think it was a funeral or Trump and his family, and even what the hell was this? Oh, I don't remember. Breaking U.S. Treasury confirms require more Bitcoin. Yada yada yada. All right, guys. I think we've exhausted the real news over on Twitter now too. They're going to buy a million Bitcoin. I thought I had that pulled up too. Maybe not. I guess not. All right. If you're in crypto for the Lambos, you must also be ready for the ramen. Abraham Lincoln, of course. He wisely once said that. Yes, he did. God, what the hell, guys? All right, guys. It's time to check on the normies and give them their credit. Their credit report. Wow. The report card. Let's see what they're doing today. All right. Of course, we grade them on a traditional grade scale, A through Z. A through Z. Wow. A through F. Typically they get an F, and they only search for three things. Typically, it's sports, video games, and celebrities. Let's see what they're looking up today. Megadeth Farewell Tour, BMW Championship, Ungstock, UNH, United Healthcare stock. That was one of the bigger ones that pushed to the downside and dropped like crazy when the big beautiful bill hit. And looks like they're popping off now, and they just had a huge peak, I guess. I'm assuming. I don't know. I didn't pay attention this morning on the pharmaceutical stocks, healthcare stocks, whatever. Krispy Kreme Harry Potter donuts. Very important, guys. Melania Trump, PPI. Man, that's two related to at least investing anyway. Phillies versus Nationals. Sports. Normies love their sports. Powerball winning lottery numbers because the normies only play lottery tickets. That's what Doge is for too. Taylor Swift net worth. It's peaking. I guess. Damn, people are nosy. Quinshawn Junkins. I don't know who the hell these people are. Gabe Davis. Michigan football. INTC stock. Look at that. That's Intel stock. Man. Capital One 360 savings account lawsuit. Damn, the normies are actually looking up some decent things today. Miguel Amaya, Chloe Kim, United Healthcare stock. Boom, there it is again. And Boto Fogo versus Quito. Oh my God, yes, sports. Normies love their sports. There's a little bit more here. Battlefield 6 Beta Weekend number 2, and Peacemaker Season 2, and Andy Reid. There we go. Those are the top searches for the normies today. I feel like I want to give them a D, maybe a D+. There's a lot in there, a lot of investment news that they're trying to keep up with. So I'm going to give them a D plus today. That's probably a pretty fair value for what they searched in the grand scheme of things. I mean, Krispy Kreme donuts, man. I mean, who wouldn't search that? Oh, geez. And of course, Bitcoin over time searches. A little bit of interesting happening. We just hit all-time highs. It still wasn't as big of a search jump that I was hoping for. We did see 100 at 6 a.m. UTC on the 11th. Of course, that was not even, that's the past 7 days. That wasn't the all-time high night. The all-time high night we got, what was it, 85? I was really disappointed last night. What was it? I'm pretty sure it was like 77, 85. I think it was like right around here. Something like that, 77, 85. And this morning, as we fell, we actually hit more of a higher high for Bitcoin's related searches, sitting at 94. So that's an interesting metric to look at. That people care about more the dump than they do about the pump. It's weird. The normies usually jump in on the pump, not the dump. Okay, so let's see what else we got going on against Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum. Ethereum still getting tighter, closer to XRP interest on Google. Then we have, of course, the bottom two being Doge and Solana. Not really doing anything, just hanging out down there. So still the King Crypto taking over the internet in terms of overall searches. Okay, all right. That is a roundup of all the news and the metrics and the things, guys. Let's take a look and see where we are currently. Still sitting at 118.15, about the same place we were before. Looks like we want to kind of roll over. Good luck doing that, because we're going to have a lot of buying pressure if we get close to that 117.5 again. It's going to wick pretty quick. That's what we're looking at here tonight. What else we got here on ETH? And while I got ETH up, guys, let me know where you guys think ETH's going to go. Let me start putting some names on the board for ETH. I think, of course, $5,000 target is a pretty good place to start, right? Of course, price of right rules always apply to this, and I think we're back on the board for Bitcoin being another RIP prediction. I think who was on the board next? I think it's still open because Ramona technically won yesterday, but the black swan of PPI coming in really negative. I mean, a full freaking percent. Who would have thought that would have been a thing? No one did. Everyone was expecting 0.02 or 0.2. 0.2. That's a huge difference. When everyone was already priced it in. So yeah, let me know in the chat. Let me get back in the chat before I continue on any further. I'll make sure I don't catch too much. Oh no. You guys are shared aliens. No. No. Oh God, what in the hell? Apple pies from McFreedom. Always burn your hands. I got that on the board. I got to finish up that McFreedom hangout space, man. That's gonna be fun. Banks don't want exchanges to be able to steal their customers. Yeah, that explains it, Ramona. That's why they want to get this thing going. They want to get some of these entries into stablecoin bill. We can do a TikTok challenge to eat it hot. Oh no! What the hell, Ben? You're just trying to kill people. At least kill their tongue. You're not going to be able to taste anything ever again. Okay, yeah, this is Richie Rich as well. If you know me better, that by my name. Yes, yeah, I knew you were Richie Rich. I had a feeling. It's just, yeah, YouTube's doing the weird shit. I can show you again in the chat. Yeah, it's doing the weird stuff again, guys. Doing that weird stuff again. I don't know why. It keeps doing that. Yeah, Ramona says, May seems like it was years ago. Yeah, it does. Ben Lawrence says 100% mom. Cody says, Otaku, I gotta hear your alien experience. Oh my God. Maybe. Body Snatchers, Cody, Otaku is the alien. Fortunately, he is a friendly alien. I appreciate that, I guess. Let's change the subject. Quinn says, yeah, Dick said you make a Discord so he can teach me how to use AI to mass spam applications. Ooh. Are you going to DDoS attack somebody? We used to do that back in the day. That was, of course, when I was a part of Anonymous. Another reason why I wear a mask. Oh Jesus! All the origin stories coming out now. Bad idea says Ben will get you in trouble. Yes, it will. I do miss the bot attacks. Oh, they were crazy. But with all the hammers in the chat, there's no way they're getting through us anymore. No way, Jose. Oh Jesus! No capes on Discord. No capes. No Discord. Yeah, so you can't go on Discord unless you have a cape. Is that the idea there, Jake? Oh my gosh. Yeah, Ben says I think of the fun watching these capricious children getting their due. Oh God. I gotta watch that movie. What movie? Which movie? What else we have here? Cigarettes aren't, but alas, now Dad's gone, but we don't care. Yeah, he never came back. He went to go buy cigarettes and he never came back. I don't know what happened, Ben. Jacob Snake, please decode Mother's note. Margaritas, socks off. Is that those beans or pills? Those are beans, aren't they? The magic beans. Going dancing, getting a margarita, taking the socks off and buying some magic beans. Or taking some magic beans. That's what kind of magic beans those are. Yes, cape, juice, socks, beans. I'm just emojiing your statement. I know. Yes. Ramona, did you buy the most recent gem yesterday? Says Ben Lawrence. Neb says I bought it the moment it went live. Only wish I got more. That's ENG. I'm not even up to date with this one, guys. Holy crap. ETH 20k cycle peak. Let's moon boy this. ETH 5,000. Okay, let's get some names on the numbers on the board. Let's see. Ben says 5,300 before end of the month. You got to give me more than that before the end of the month. On Ethereum. You got to give me more than that though. Give me a date. I mean, I could put. 25th. I could put. I don't know. You gotta give me a date. I don't speak bomb, sadly. Not my wheelhouse. Maybe gonna translate. I would think more along the lines of maybe Sunday or Monday, an ETH breakout to 5,000. That'd be my guesstimate on it. Cape on my back, juice in the cup, socks on the floor, beans stacked up, snake spreads, FUD. God, this is pretty much right to a T there, Ramona. But we don't break the dragon's roar. On those at stake, through pumps and dumps, we play the game. Holy crap. That's insane, Ramona. I don't FUD, I'm the moon boy, says Jake the Snake. You're a moon boy. There's a bot for every hammer, says Jake. Not in front of the scouts bomb, please, says Ben. It rhymed. It definitely did rhyme. It's kind of weird. Quint says, I'm grifting for the Patreon sub again, guys. Oh, here we go again. Here we go again, guys. Guys, gotta hit that Quint with the wrench. Where are the wrenches when you need them? Oh, jeez. He's grifting for Patreon sub again. Take off the mask to prove you aren't our dad. Jake, I can't be your dad if I'm your brother, my guy. I'm a time traveling. I'm my own father. I don't think that works. But it worked for Fry in Futurama. He's his own grandfather. That was kind of weird. Yes. 27th, says Ben. Okay, we're putting Ben on the board for the 27th. There it is. Done and done. We got him. We got him to commit. Ben on the board for 5,300. 5,300. You're not bullish enough, man. It's kind of bearish. 5,300 by 27th. I gotta go further out than the 15 minute to even put this on the board. Here we go. On the 27th. 27th. Alright. And we're gonna put this on there for Ben. Ben L. Oh my gosh. I can't find the keys today. Okay. 5,300 for ETH. 5,300. It's so weird not putting a K after everything. I can't. All right. There we go. We got Ben on the board there. We're going to, of course, put this in pretty blue for Ethereum. All right. There we go. And let's get this. Yeah, these darker blue. Yes. Lines, these strokes. There we go. There we go. We got you on board, Ben. We got you on board. Maybe make this a little brighter. There we go. It's still not muted. Oh, there we go. That's why. Okay. All right. So what else we have here in the chat? Anything else? Myria to $1. Let it be. Myria? Really? Myria? I don't think so. No. All of the wrenches in the chat come milk money. Yes. Attack. I don't know what we're attacking though. There's no bots in the chat currently. Why you hate our poor people, says Quint. I'm only teasing you, my man. We know we love you. Yes, Chad Daddy. Right, Jake the Snake says, go hit the streets for Happy Meals money, Quint. Yes. Man, you could be a male social worker. Oh my god. I don't know where the hell this chat's going. Alright, Ramona coming in with an ETH prediction. Let's go. 6,300 by September 1st. That's a good one. I like this. Getting into September now. 6,300. Not a bad bet there. The first is also on a Monday. Oof. Maybe. I mean, closest without going over. Could be. We might see that happen on our first initial breakout on a Sunday moving into Monday. It could happen. All right, so yeah, we're going to put this on here for Ramona. Thanks again, Ramona, for playing again. And thanks again for winning last time. That was amazing. Although it was short-lived. Oh my god. Oh, geez. Yeah, you definitely played the Price is Right thing, too, and you went up $1,000 more than Ben. Okay, so we got... I put Ben on there again, too. Jesus. Ramona. Here we go. There we go. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, you're on the board, Ramona. Thank you. All right, what else we have here? Jake and Snake says 7.5 ETH by December. Oof, that's bearish. Damn. By December. You gotta give me a date though. December what? December 15th? December 20th? All right, I'll let you figure that one out, Jake. Man, you were a week off on the last one, and freaking Mad Money was a day off on that prediction for Miss Cleo's birthday for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still hanging out around 118.2 right now, currently. Getting tight down here in this bottom channel, so could see a bit of a breakout soon. Again, it's very oversold now. It was overbought last night. Now it's oversold, and getting closer to these lower levels where all of the buy zones are coming in at $117,000 Bitcoin, and much lower. I think the bottom of that channel puts us at let's take a look, 116, I think. Let's see. Go. It's going a little closer too. A little closer. All right. Let's see. Short term. 115,000. So we got a breakaway there. Everything above 115,000 is fair game for any levels that we fall underneath that right now. Short time frames. And then the mid time frames here. If I can get back here. If I get back in here. But people getting liquidated all over the place, man. All right, and then here we have a ton of buying, happening. Tons and tons and tons of buying at 116 and above. So, as long as we stay above $116,000 Bitcoin, we're pretty much, still ready to pamp to the upside. We already smashed all of these shorts. They're all gone from yesterday's big breakout. So that's the idea there. We're going to get into some Crypto Chaos magic again tonight. Soon. Jake the Snake says December 11th on Ethereum. Let's put him on there. Put him on the board as well. The hell am I just put those on there. Where are they? They're there. Damn, they're pretty far out there, I guess. Is that even right? That can't be right, is it? Oh, yeah, that's right. All right, so we got December 11th. Oh man, I gotta go far out on the daily chart to get that. It's probably gonna look weird later too. It never gets put on there correctly towards the end. Okay, so December 11th. That's right about there. And that is Jake the Snake, the King of Ohio. For 75? 7.5. 7,500. There we go. On the board. I think that's a bit bearish, though, in my opinion. I think by December, we should be sitting at 10,000 at least. By December. December, my man. All right. That's, of course, on ETH there. Okay. We're good to go. All right. I think there was one more that came in, too. Didn't I miss one? Richmond says, let's say ETH breaks 5K on August 27th. August 27th. Oof, you're gonna put that ahead of Ben? I can't, Richmond. Oh jeez. So was it 5,000? 5,000. Yes, 5,000 plus. Ben is now. This is Richmond. Yes, Richie Rich from Richmond. All right, there we go. 5,000 plus. I'm gonna put you on. Yeah, it's the same day basically. Sorry, Ben. Good luck. Okay, what else we got in the chat? I think that is all of them. I think I got them all on the board. Nice. Yeah, I'll die before I sell my body, says Quint. Oh no. Ooh, meth predictions now. ETH. What the hell? Oh jeez. Jake says we can make that happen, Quint. Holy crap! Jake has a stranger danger energy right now. I mean, you just getting that right now? He's the king of Ohio. Stranger danger energy is always his thing. Yes, Jake, you're scaring your siblings and your cousins. Oh no. Quest is our redhead stepchild. He doesn't count. My hair's brown, says Quint. Oh my god, you guys are ridiculous. Okay, I have both of these in my name. Same but different. Okay. Let's say ETH breaks. Okay, yes, I got that one. I think ETH breaks 5K this Sunday. I think so too, Ramona. I think so too. That was my original idea as well. So let's put that on the board, right? It's been a while since I was on the board too. Let's put. You want to put that on there as well, Ramona? I'll put us both down for that. because I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I mean, it really depends on how this meeting goes with Trump and Vladimir Putin tomorrow, and of also what was it Lutnick has to say, or Atkins? Was it Atkins? I don't remember who. Someone had to say, of course, on the structure bill, crypto structure bill tomorrow. Crypto policies loading, guys. Here we go. Sunday. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here. Otaku. It's been awesome. I've been on the board. 5,000 breakout on Ethereum on Sunday. I'll even put a time frame. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna put 8 p.m. Probably like 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's gonna start doing that. I might see that by 9. Let's go with the 1 hour. I can put this in its position. Right about 9. I'll say by 9 or 10 o'clock. I'm gonna give myself a little bit extra time. Let's go by 11. Let's go by midnight. Oh jeez. In either way, right around that area, it's probably gonna hit 5,000. It's due for a breakout. Oh my god, it was so tight last night. I thought it was gonna happen. 5,000 is gonna be hard to do. 4,800 is the hardest spot. 4,800 is of course the previous all-time high. There's so much there. So we got to break through that first. All right, Show Harder says, Jake the Snake, thank you for reminding me, guys. Hit the like and subscribe. We're trying to get the stream to 1,000 subs. And, of course, I got to get into Crypto Chaos Magic next. I did eat before the live stream, guys, so I made that decision today. I'm not going to forget it again after going brain dead yesterday. That was fun. That was fun. Let's not do that again. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. 5,250 ETH by next Wednesday, says Jake the Snake. All right, Jake. I'll put you down there for that as well. Why not? Oh, geez. Ramona coming in with a $5 super chat. Yes, Quint. I'm a nice boomer. LOL. Last year to be one too, so I'm on the cusp of being Gen X. What? How does that work, Ramona? What? How is that the last year to be one? I'm confused. How does that work? Are they changing? The whole scale again? It doesn't make any sense. Depending on where you look, it's all over the place. That's why you're so tech savvy and edgy, says Jake the Snake. Yes, 100% agree with you, Jake the Snake, on that for Ramona. Speaking of Ramona, I also got to put her back on the board for me. I'm going to put how about this? I'll just add her to that. Ramona and Otaku prediction on Sunday night. All right. I think that's, yeah, percent. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Jake the Snake, where were you? Yes, Jake. Tight. Where were you? 5,250 ETH by next Wednesday. That could happen. That could be a probability, perhaps ability. Let's see, where would that take us though? Price action. This 20 Wednesday is the 27th. Everyone's got so much on the 27th now. Damn, 27th. Or we're gonna throw you on there too, I guess, somewhere. The 27th. I can barely fit everyone on this day. There we go. We got Ben on here. We got Jake the Snake on here. We got Richie Rich. There we go. I'm gonna stagger everyone upward. Jake is such a freaking big name though. All right, 27th. All right, King of Ohio, 5,250. Let's go. Send it. Can you imagine where all the altcoins are gonna be at? $5,250 ETH. That'd be insane. We do have more Ethereum treasury purchases next week too, so could happen. 5,255. There we go. 250. What about $555,000 ETH for 555 fries? 555. Jesus. Yeah, you guys get the idea. All right. So we'll see. The last boomer year, late model boomer. Yes, it is. I got you. 1965, first year of Gen X. Gotcha. You were born in the middle. All right, guys, we got to get into some Crypto Chaos Magic. I'm going to see if I can get this to work. I did add a microphone on the other side, so let's see how this works tonight. Again, this is round 2 of the new Satoshi Shrine, and yeah, Crypto Chaos Magic will continue on. Oh my gosh! In the name of Satoshi, we will burn many more bennies. All right, let's see what we have to burn tonight. Jake, yeah, Ramona coming in with a number one top earner tonight, sitting at 1900 XP, following in with Richmond at a 475 XP, sitting at number two. That boy Nebs sitting at 150 XP, tied for third place with Jake the Snake and Ben Lawrence, D-Worm as well. All you guys, yeah, well deserved that. I'm not sure why it's actually counting them out all individually, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, but in my eyes, 150 is 150, and you guys are all there, my friends. All right, yes, and tonight we're going to be burning, I'm going to say, I don't know. I guess total $50 bill. I guess we're gonna be burning another $50 bill. Holy crap! Holy crap, guys! Let's freaking go! I'm gonna run out of 50s. I think I have another. Yes. Whoa! I got another 50. All right, I got another Grant. There we go, Grant. Happy burn day for the Grant, sir. All right, let's go over there and get it done. All right, guys, I'll send you over to the other side. Here we go. Oh, shoot. Where's this camera at? We're going to be burning one. Here we go, guys. The Shrine of Satoshi. Yes, first we're going to start with the Bitcoin candle. We're going to light the Bitcoin candle, and I have to have my lighter for that. There we go. I was teasing $1 today while Scott was talking about Bitcoin. All right, so here we go. We're gonna light the Bitcoin candle. Let's see if I can get everything on camera. Yes, everything. All the evidence for the Fed. My God. Jesus. Do not do this at home. Go to prison for like 15 years or something like that. I hear. I don't know. Anyway, so tonight Bitcoin needs some strength. I'm gonna give it some black onyx. I did mention this last night. If it does seem to fall, I'm gonna put some black onyx. I do have a tumbler. I don't think it's gonna be enough though. It's not that bad. Yeah, the tumbler should be fine. All right, so we're gonna put that on the altar. We're gonna put some black onyx on there for Bitcoin. We might amplify that quite a bit for it. Let's just put a clear quartz on there. And yeah, we're gonna burn another. Oh, there's a remnants from last night. Get that out of there. All right, the Bitcoin candle has been lit. It is, of course, the first step. We are idolizing the moon today. Let's use a peach moonstone. Yeah, let's use a peach moonstone. Let's go. Get a little bit more orange in there for it. And yeah, let's finish off with burning not a penny, half a penny, a $50 bill. There we go. Yes, just light that guy. It's taking a while to light. There we go. There we are. Oh, Jesus. Happy Halloween, guys. I can't wait. I can't wait for Halloween. Oh, jeez. And there she goes. All right, getting back to it, guys. Yes. I can also do an overhead view as well. Look at that. Oh, all the things. Let's get back to it. Oh! All right, let me know how that goes going. I thought Otaku had more monitors. Oh my God, more monitors? There's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6. There's 6. Oh jeez, if you don't count the indicators and stuff too, those are different. Anyway, yes. Jesus, grill the bills. Yeah, you gotta grill the bills, man. Jeez. Burn a sock. I mean, I don't know. I don't know, man. That sounds corrosive and toxic. Do you know what socks are made of these days? Full synthetic, mostly. Yeah, I guess there's some cotton in the socks still. I don't know. In front of you, says Quint. In front of you. I can still smell it. Oh my God. I always imagined a wall of monitors. Oh yeah. Yeah. I mean, that's my primary battle station. Yeah, in front of me. Yep. Oh, you imagine more than 3 in front of me? Damn, dude, that's insane. No. Die, money, die, says D-Worm. Yes, yes, we did it.
She started a fire in cyberspace. Take your fiat currency and feed the fire.
It's working, guys. Look at this. We already got some positive price action out of Bitcoin. We went over there. We burned a $50 bill, and it went up about $400 in price. Back up to 118.5. Look at that. See, it works. Oh, Jesus. All right, so let's finish up the ritual by putting the ritual sticks in place. I'm a little off kiltered. I'm still trying to work on that segment now that I changed it up a little bit. We are doing a little bit of traveling. But yes, sitting right now at 9 p.m. It is currently 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, so I'm a little off there, damn it. I got to put this back in position. For those who are just catching this for the first time, what I like to do is, of course, put these sticks there for your reference. We're basing everything on market sentiment and psychology of the markets. So volatility mostly happens in these key time frames in the United States here, as well as the foreign markets. Right now we're opening up into the foreign markets right now as we speak. So we're looking at around 12 to 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the markets to really start doing that intraday trading type stuff. All right, look at this. We still got Super Danny on the board. Look at that, Super Danny. You could actually, his prediction actually could come true tonight for another rip prediction. Again, looks like the foreign markets want to buy up some more of this Bitcoin. We are starting to get some higher lows, right? We're starting to build a trend. And of course, the trend is your friend. And the higher lows right now tell us that we're moving to the upside tonight. And we're going to see, of course, where that goes. Where indeed. Why is it not? Oh, yeah, the text. There we go. I like some orange on the board. There we go. All right, so let's get into Crypto Chaos Magic. I am now a instrument of chaos, as I have done the ritual. Let's see where we go tonight. All right, where are we going tonight? Let's see. Baseline target for Bitcoin. Let's take one more look at Kimba the White Snow Lion. Of course, nothing has changed other than the bulls gaining a little bit more ground towards the $119,000 level. We're at the midway right now at 118.5. Again, all of the buying pressure is going to offset all of the selling pressure, as there's a lot more gaps in between above than below. All right, so that's the general idea tonight. Again, we're already came off of oversold territory. The entire foreign market was basically given a dip in a silver platter. Are they going to buy or not? This is the only question tonight. It's the only question. I think they're going to buy. But it's not what I think. It's what the Crypto Chaos Magic thinks. Let's see what we got going on tonight. All right, guys. Previous, level of support. If you want to go back even further for some harsher levels of maybe rejection, we could go back down to 115. That might be the next level. I don't think we're going to head back down to 112 again, but we'll have to wait and see. We'll see how bad the markets react tomorrow morning. All right, let's see. Let's get into it. We got to do this. All right. Hopefully we'll be right again today. Oh man. Again, guys, I'm doing this until I'm so wrong that I will be happy I am not right. That's the idea. And I'm so tired of being right. And we're starting to get wrong on the channel, which is, of course, a big anomaly that points us towards massive breakouts and, price discovery. All right, so where are we heading tonight? So right now it looks like we want to honor higher lows, right? So we're going to see if we can come back up here, retest 118.75, make another move. Maybe we can see 119. 119.3, moving into the foreign market open and close, and then a complete reset in the morning for the for the American open. This is going to be, of course, our baseline target tonight. So somewhere between trying to reclaim 119 and some change. We did fight that level quite a bit on the way down. We did get 2 tops there, and then of course a rejection. So we do have to probably come back up there and retest again. And if the market wants to go sideways, it's going to look something like that. All right, let's get into baseline. A bear prediction next, of course. Bear predictions are going to be something like this. We're going to have a bit of a retest, creating that new higher low, and then a sell-off. Again, right around noon-ish, 1 o'clock, and rejection. Maybe a little sooner than that. It'd be somewhere around here, double top, rejection, can't keep that, rejection, and then fall down to about 115 would be the low I would like to see for Bitcoin, and then of course recovery in the morning. That would be our bear case scenario. And again, we're suggesting these ideas, the universe, and it's been pretty much keeping on top of them, right? Even last night, I didn't clean up the board. Even last night when we suggested this in the universe, it didn't get any lower than, of course, our most bearish prediction. So either way, I feel like this works. That's what I tell myself anyway.
What are you, stupid?
Yes. All right. Yes, and I'm just going to move our super bear prediction over as well, down to the fire sale target of about $185,000 Bitcoin, and then our bull case scenario heading up towards $120,000, maybe $121. We topped that tip. We tapped that a few times. Maybe see a breakout to 122.5, and I don't know if we're going to get much higher than that. And then about a sell-off it starts to happen a little bit more after 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. Eastern Standard 3 a.m. our time, Eastern Standard Time, before markets close. So something like that into the market more in the morning open. Okay, that gets us up to the Super Bull case scenario. Super Bull case scenario. We already did the Super Bear. It's on the board. It's still there at the fire sale target 80,000. It's a little lower actually today. The Super Bears don't mind. All right, and then yes, we'll be looking at a crazy breakout to take us on a stairway to heaven to $130,000 Bitcoin. Why not? A little bit of pullback we give them in the morning for that Super Bull breakout. Not calling for that, but suggesting it to the universe as it has happened many times on the channel. All right. So, where am I thinking it's going to go tonight? Oh my God. Because no one can predict Bitcoin, but no one can predict Bitcoin with as much certainty as we have over the last 2 years, which is kind of crazy. I'm down to like 96% now this year. We were sitting at 97. That was nice, but we did fall down in accuracy a little bit as 2 times this week we were wrong, or was it 2 times in the last 2 weeks we were wrong? I forget. But either way, we're looking at, somewhere between $128,000 Bitcoin prediction on a Super Bull. Are we looking at, somewhere between 122, 120,000 on our bull case scenario? A baseline of basically flat where we are right now by the market open. A little bit of some, price action in the morning, early morning, and of course a reset in the morning for the open, or or a bear case scenario where we're going to fall down and look at 115,008 by the market open. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it again. I'm gonna eat these words. I know it. The last 2 times I've called for a bull bear. A bear, bull bear, a baseline bull. Last night it didn't work out. I'm telling you though, it's the markets feel like they want to do it. I mean, this nonsense with the CPI, the FUD over Scott Benson's words, I think it's all just, it's all hoopla. It's all nonsense. I think we're going to get a baseline bull. We got to get some sort of recovery. Maybe we don't get as high as 122, but maybe we get as high as 120, at least reclaim 119 and some change. That'd be my guess. So not at quite as high as up here. Although, I mean, Japanese markets are buying up stuff, all the time. We're looking at about more companies in Japan that are getting more crypto-centric, and Metaplanet just continues to buy more Bitcoin. What was that? The latest amount they just got? They're raising money now for another 30,000 Bitcoin. I mean, when's that going to happen? Tonight? No, probably not tonight, but soon. And everyone's looking at all these things every day. You don't think they just keep buying more too? I don't know. I'm still calling for a baseline bull. Baseline bull. I feel it. I don't know if you guys feel it. I know Milk Money probably feels it. But that's what I feel tonight, guys. That's what I feel tonight. So suggesting it to the universe. Baseline bull. Baseline bull. Let's go. Send it. Send it. I'm tired of looking at it. All right. Let's see what we have here. I got 3-2, says Quint. Feed the fire. Yes. Yes, I smell the default of cash. What the hell? Quint says, but I don't have a super long curved one like that. Oh God, too much information. Oh my God, come on, children. Warning signs. Oh Jesus. Oh no, I definitely need those emojis up, man. That's crazy. It's curved. I cannot. I cannot. I just never know what I'm gonna find when I read these chats, guys. Just not 6 feet long like Otaku's. I mean, Jesus, that's a tail. That is a tail. Oh, jeez. A quesadilla. God. Oh, you're making me hungry again, guys. Ramona says there's a that's what she said joke in there somewhere. There definitely is, and I feel it. I feel Oh, feel it, book money, yes. Thank you. And not the other stuff. Holy crap. You guys are insane. All right, love hanging out with you guys. It's always fun. It's always a good time. Markets are kind of flat tonight, but I think Bitcoin's going to chip on its way up, so onto the upside. Again, the whole market's looking at this and being like, oh, what the hell? What the hell's America talking about? What are they even doing? And the only time we ever really dumped was because, again, if you go back to the timeline, look at the timeline on this. This happened as usual. Japan and the foreign markets pumped their bags because they bought all of our dip, right? They bought all of our dip, and then they dumped it. This is around 3 a.m. as the markets closed, right? This is how I get my ideas, right? Mostly. So this is kind of where we're sitting at the market open, and then what happens? Boom, bombshell. PPI comes out. 8 a.m., 8:30, and this dropping happens. So the rest of the foreign markets got to wake up and be like, you silly Americans, we buy Bitcoin. I mean, this is ridiculous. I would not be surprised if we get at least half of this back in the market by the end of this foreign trading session. I would not be surprised at all. It's ridiculous. It's definitely oversold. Overreaction of the year. Maybe. I think DeepSeek was the overreaction of the year, really, to be honest. This might be the second overreaction of the year. All right. So, that is all I got for you guys tonight. I'm not going to read that. You guys are crazy. Oh, Jesus. Tariffs was an overreaction, 100%. Yes, it was. It was, my friend. It was. It still is. You can't tariff Bitcoin. You can't tariff most crypto assets. Definitely that aren't securities. Just like 90% of them. Anyway, guys, I'm going to call it for tonight. I'm going to see if I can maybe get get something to drink, wake up a little bit. Try to work on some more of the studio. I've been putting every last freaking moment of my time into this, guys. Before I'm trying to completely exhaust myself before we break out. This is still not a breakout, in my opinion. It's a breakup, breakdown, overreaction nonsense. We need to see $150,000 Bitcoin, $135,000 Bitcoin at least. Something major to really feel like 2021 again. Like, I don't know, guys. I'm just not feeling it yet. The bags, though, all-time highs, still sitting at all-time highs. They're good, but it's not like it's to me, most of it still feels like my bag from January. Like I feel like we haven't gone anywhere. We just went back to January, the beginning of the year. So we need to really start pamping it, man. We gotta really start pamping it. So I'm still working on the studio every single day. I don't play games. I don't mess around. This is what I'm doing full time. I actually hung another. You guys can see it behind me. Hung another shelf today below my television, the screen behind me. So hung that today. Oh yeah, and I didn't get to really show you guys the. I gotta get cameras over there. I'm trying to find more cameras too. I've got boxes full of stuff from the last move. I still haven't got to. I know I have at least 1 or 2 more cameras I haven't set up yet. I had to sacrifice my arcade camera for the shrine. I'm just getting a lot of things. I got more lights up than I had before. I got a light over the shrine now. I've got lights on that side of the corner of the room. That's all my 3D printing stuff and my sci-fi corner of the room. It's not too related to this, but I'll have some eyes on it eventually. So yeah, I'm working on it every day. I'm super excited to see where we're going to be and where the show's going to be by then, man. I'm telling you, I want to be the fun house, the fun house for crypto. No one's doing it. Of course, like we will. All right, guys. Let's see how I love you guys. Yes, I love you too, Gamma Goddess. We love you. You did it too, Gamma. Even Helmo left. Oh no. Oh Jesus. My friends would rather hang out with my mom than me. Oh, that sucks, man. What I just come back to? You all scared all the new therapist away. Yeah, Helmo's out of the office, man. He left a while ago. He got freaked out. He's already freaking out. He's on fire. God, guys. All right. If alt season doesn't hit soon, we will all be in an insane asylum. Yes. I actually found a 3D print STL of of Helmo. I want to print that as big as I can. I want to put it somewhere. I'll see if I can get that done too. I do have the Helmo, you know, he's back there in the corner. You can kind of see him. I do still have Elmo back there. But I got to do some alterations. I think for Halloween, I'm going to like use a needle and a thread and trying to make him look as much as I can as Helmo. It's going to be creepy as hell, man. I'm just going to take a whole bunch of fabric, some sort of shag red fabric I find, and I'm just going to keep adding to it until he looks like Helmo. It's going to be a good time, guys. All right, guys. So this is kind of like the after show now, I guess. But yeah, if All Poison doesn't hit soon, we definitely will all be in a solemn 100% agree with Ramono on that. Fun time, peeps. And I don't know if you guys caught yesterday. We talked, I think it was last night. Adam Back was calling basically that we haven't gone through a real cycle yet. Of course, he's one of the most OG Bitcoiners there is. He's been rumored to be, of course, Satoshi for a long time now. Yeah, he's been saying now this year that we may not get the pump this year. We might get it next year, as we haven't experienced a true cycle after the halving because of all the crazy manipulations in the markets. And now that Wall Street's in and we actually have steady growth into Bitcoin and other crypto assets, that we could be seeing a bull run in 2026 instead of 2025. So there's a lot of different ideas, a lot of different theories out there, guys. I definitely got to be following all of it. Make sure you have your plan, right? Make sure you're stuck in your convictions. Bitcoin heading back up to, while I'm talking, ranting, Bitcoin heading back up to 118.7. Look at this. Look at this. 118.7 right there. Boom. Let's go. Right after we did the ritual. Oh, geez. Send it to 119 right now. Let's go. Oh, geez, guys. Yes, we'll all be together. 100%, Mom. Yes, we will. Indeed, Mom. Indeed, says Ben Lawrence. Yes, indeed. Thanks again for coming out, guys. Always a good time to hanging out with you. Again, where else can we go and really hang out with like-minded folk? Like we are. Game of God says, well, we all have our own padded rooms. Yes, don't we? Yes, we all wear masks as well, metaphorically speaking. Jesus. ETH 4,600 now. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Pamping. Heading back up. Oh, man. Yes, this is going to be a fun night, guys. This is going to be a fun night. We'll have to wait and see how much it falls in the morning, as America sucks. It just sucks. Oh, Jesus. It does.
Stupid?
I can't say I'm very proud to be in America anymore in 2025. Right. Oh man, this is not even tight anymore. It's just getting explosive. We are getting on the short term time frames. 15 minutes looks like a inverted head and shoulder. Let's go. I can't. To the upside. Let's go. Where's Bitcoin sitting at? Yeah, still wanting to break out to 119. Wants to go. Send it. Hard to leave, guys. Hard to leave. Be back to normal when we wake up. Yeah, Quint, 100%. It's like nothing happened. Let's take a look at some other coins too. Jasmine's still looking to reclaim 117. 117 cents now, right? Look, so that's coming back too. Again, similar, similar pattern as well, like Ethereum. What else we got? XCN. Kinda a little messy, a little like drunken, but yeah, it's in there somewhere, right? To the upside, send it. XCN, Swiftcoin. No. What the hell is that? Oh my God, Swiftcoin's a good time to buy, I guess. Look at that. Holy crap. Damn near the lows. Still in the bull trend though from the lows. But Swiftcoin needs some help right now. Zbeck wants to come back to 205. Let's go. 2047 right now. Again, everything looks the same. Everything's looking the same in the charts. Miria. It's kind of there. It's a bigger, but yeah, it's kind of there too. Sui. Look at that. Sui. Same sort of thing. What else? Everything wants to recover, guys. Everything wants to recover. Matic. Polygon. Same thing. Say every freaking coin, guys. Every coin. Let's go. Well, Moonwell, guys. Let's go. Even XRP. Oh shit. I'm having too much fun in the charts tonight, guys. I'm just messing around. It's on the 15-minute too. No one's looking at that. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, the short-term time frame traders probably. On the 4-hour, you can't even see it. You can't even tell. It just looks like a little dip down there. But it's definitely got some legs though. The bulls are taking over. They're taking back over all the things. So look at that, guys. Look at that. Pretty good stuff right now. We got to get above 118.8. Bears are coming back a little bit, but they're setting up shop right now. Looks like a little bit stronger at 118. You can see it pretty clearly too. This is why I love Kimba. He sets this up in a way it's just so easy to tell. So yeah, right around there. $120,000 Bitcoin. You can see on the shorter time frames. Boom. We're hitting our head on it right now. Very strong. Very strong. We'll smash through it. I don't know if we're going to get through 120 tonight. I'll see how much liquidity is left on a Friday in the foreign markets. But usually the Friday in the American markets, there's usually not enough to do something like this. Okay. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Speaking of let's go, we're going to head out for the night. Yes. Ramona says, yes, that's right. Your ritual's working. And we're going to head back to Groundhog Day. Groundhog Day, D-Worm. Yes. Wake up and shake that hog. Yeah. Smash that damn clock, Murray. Thank God. Thank you, man. Thank you. I'm gonna get flagged for that again. Damn it. Jerry the Turtle headstrong, says Quint, letting everyone know that Jerry the Turtle is hanging in there. It's in there strong. All right, guys, I'm gonna head out, but looking good either way right out the gate. Hopefully this rally will continue. We do need some recovery. This is ridiculous what America did today. It's silly. All right, guys. I'm going to call it. Have a good one, guys, and I will see you tomorrow morning with the market open. And there's some things happening tomorrow. I wonder if we're going to get some news out of Trump and Putin in the beginning of the day, or we're going to have to wait a little later. I'm wondering what the time frame is going to be on that. But we're going to find out tomorrow morning. So have a good one, guys, and I will see you tomorrow night. Don't forget, guys. Don't forget.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best. There's no second best crypto.
No, there isn't, Sailor. All right, guys. And with that, I bid you adieu. Have a great night. I will see you tomorrow for more chaos and coffee in the morning. Take it easy, guys. Take it easy. Peace.
Fly me to the moon. Let me trade among stars. Let me see what freedom's like without money and gold bars. In other words, gold Nike. Oh! In other words, let's make history. Oh! Tomorrow is more coming and let me huddle forevermore and more and more and more and more. I long for Hollywood talking to door. In other words, I choose you. In other words, I love you.
And boom! We're back. 18 just broke 118. 18. Bitcoin just broke 118.8. Smashing through that pretty damn quick. Heading back to almost 119,000. All right, guys. Peace out. I will catch you tomorrow. It's always good. It's always good fun, guys. And now Tootsie Roll, says Ben. Tootsie Roll. Have a great night, guys. Sleep tight, and don't let the altcoins bite. It's the meme coins, I guess. Don't let the meme coins bite. Yeah, get out of those before you go to bed. All right, have a good one, guys. Peace. Later. Bye.
I'd buy that for $1.
Yeah, boy. Button.
Watch the cash burn, lead fade. A new world rises, we've made the trade. The robots are rising, ICE taking the crown. But we're the ones that won't back down.
Bet.